Wow, we have summoned a lot of medals these past bunch of days. We have summoned medals from the original and the Model Zero. And it's all inside of those books that we call the Medallium. Now, I've summoned some of the medals that I have in my collection, and I've also showed them on my video page. But there are some medals that I need for my collection. The medals are Espy, Drakenyon, Legendary Yokai, and Yomotion medals. There are also the Julian Yokai and the Legendary ones. If you guys have them in your collection, please send them over to my house. I know I'm not supposed to give out any information about where I live for integrity purposes. Just send them over to wherever I made this video. That is all. Hope you guys got my message. And remember, bring those medals here.